Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making one of my all-time favorite foods. If you ever asked me on the street what my favorite food is, I would tell you it's either cookies or fish tacos, and today we are making fish tacos. This is actually one of the first recipes I ever posted on my vlog, and it is an oldie but goodie. It is so good. We still make it every single summer, multiple times per summer actually, because it is seriously that good. So to start, over here on my stovetop, I have a frying pan. We're gonna put on a nice medium flame, and to this we're gonna add in some vegetable oil. We're gonna add in about just enough to coat the bottom of the pan because we're going to be frying our fish. All right, that looks good. And now we're gonna move over here. So this is some blackened tilapia. So what that means is we're gonna be coating it the outside in a nice seasoning that then we're gonna cook in there. It's gonna get nice and dark. The flavors are really gonna come out of the spices, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Over here we have my spices. So over here is some chili powder that we're gonna add just onto our plate. A little bit of cumin. I really love cumin. Some smoked paprika. Some oregano. Onion powder. And finally, some salt. And also, let's give it a little bit of freshly ground pepper. And literally all you're gonna do is on this plate, mix it around until it is fully combined. Go, you can hear oil starting to sizzle. That's how you know it's ready. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of our tilapia, place it on here, flip it over, and make sure that we really coat the entire thing in this spice mixture. Get all the sides coated, every last piece. We don't want to see any of the fish not coated in this seasoning. All right, every last bit of this tilapia is coated. Now we're gonna place it into our frying pan. Oh, you hear that sizzle already? That is what you want. That is perfect. I'm gonna lower the flame slightly. Now, if you're making for a crowd, you could cook all our fish and make a lot more of the seasoning, but I'm just making for me today, so I'm just gonna do one fish. Now let's move over here to make the salsa topping. This is a super delicious salsa. A lot of people find it weird when I put fruit in salsa, but seriously, it is amazing. You get that sweetness that just really pairs well with the fish. So over here I have some pineapple that we're gonna add into our bowl. And we're also gonna go in there with some diced up mango as well. The combination of the two is seriously amazing. Also, I have some diced up red onion that we're also gonna add into here. Get that all in there. Now, a little bit of jalapeno. You can use as little or as much as you would like. Today I'm just gonna use a little bit. So let's cut off some of the edges. I'm gonna dice these edges up. Again, if you don't like spicy food at all, you could totally leave it out completely. Perfect, add in just that little bit, as you can see, into there. You can add in a little bit here too. Then let's add in some cilantro. You guys know the most controversial ingredient in the kitchen, so either you love it or you hate it. If you love it like me, you're gonna wanna add that in as well. Next, let's add in a squeeze of some lime juice, cut in half. Give that a nice squeeze of the lime juice. Let's do the other half as well. Go, let's hit it with a little bit of salt, some pepper, and just give that a good mix up until it is fully combined. And that is how easy it is to make a quick mango pineapple salsa. That is the perfect topping for our tilapia. All right, great. Now let's check over here on our tilapia. I think the bottom is nice and cooked, so let's flip it over. Ooh, look at that. You have those nice brown seasoning on top. We're also now gonna cook the bottom. Tilapia super quick, so this will actually be done in like another 2-3 minutes. All right, let's get our plate and let's grab 2 tortillas. I have some corn tortillas right here, and we're actually gonna toast them on the fire. This extra little step really goes a long way. And all you're gonna do is hold it in your tongs and just kind of hold it over the fire for a few seconds on each side, just to get some nice char action going. Ooh, our fish smells good. Ooh, I just love fish tacos. When I make this with my family, what we all do is, like, I work on the fish, my mom works on the salsa, my brother works on setting the table, my dad toasts the tortillas, and we're just kind of all getting into it, all contributing to dinner. So this is a great thing to actually make when you're with a group of people. You could all make a different part of it. And one thing that's great about tacos is it is so versatile. You could literally do anything. You could make this salsa with a different type of filling. You can make this tilapia with a different type of salsa. You can even do some cabbage slaw on top. There's just so much you can do with tacos. That's why they're my favorite food. All right. Okay, that one is nice and lightly toasted. We're gonna put that on our plate and toast the other one. Also, while that's toasting, I believe our tilapia is finished cooking, so I'm just gonna turn off the flame. All right, that looks nice and toasted. Let's turn off the flame, put it onto our plate. All right, go like that. Now let's grab ourselves a fork, and what we're gonna do is we are just going to cut off some pieces of that beautiful tilapia straight from the pan, so you get all those amazing flavors. And let's get all of that into here. Look at those beautiful flakes of fish. Super fresh. I got this from the fish market this morning. And let's turn it around, get some more fish, flake it straight off. And here we go. Let's add in a little bit more. And now it is time to top it off with our salsa, and then we are ready to eat. All right, that looks great. Now let's move back over here, and all you gotta top it with is some of this amazing pineapple mango salsa that we made. Right on top of there. Top the other taco as well. There we go. Let's actually rip a little bit of the cilantro for some garnish on top to make it look all pretty. All right, let's squeeze some lime juice for some more great acidity. All right, that looks great. And now that is how easy it is to make your own homemade fish tacos. All right, there's only one thing left to do. It is to dig into that amazing taco. Look, that we have that taco juice dripping, kind of like burger juice. That's how you know it's good. All right, let's dig in. Wow. It doesn't get much better than that. You have that super soft and tender fish wrapped in that amazing spice coating that's a little bit crunchy. Then you have the freshness for the pineapple, for the mango, that zing for the lime juice and the onion. Then it is all wrapped up in one toasted corn tortilla. And literally, I could just eat this all day long by the pool with some like non-alcoholic watermelon mojito in hand. I have one of those videos on my channel, by the way. All right, I think I need to go finish eating these. These are seriously amazing. If you guys want the recipe, you can get it in the description box below. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Okay, I seriously need to go finish these tacos. They are out of this world.